Calvin Jones here, Park Tool Company, reminding you of the old saying, it's only flat on the bottom. Yeah, it ain't funny when it's your flat tire. I've got two tires on this bike. The front one's great, holding air. Back one, that's a problem. Yep. But yesterday, it was fine. It is one of those great overnight slow leaks, and we need to fix it. So how do you fix a tubeless? Of course, more sealant, well, that's one way, but knowing the cause, that's so important. Soapy water on the bead says the bead's just fine. There's no holes in the tire, that's just fine. Where does it go? Probably, we can guess, the rim strip. That's a 100 millimeter wide rim. A new rim strip, what a pain. So can we try something else? We can, and that's what we're gonna do right here. This is a tubeless, and what's fun about this one, where is our valve? Look at that. Schrader. This bike has joined the Schrader valve. Tubeless revolution. You bet. Pull the valve core out. On a Presta, you would remove the Presta core, so that one is out. Good, that's good. Second step, we're going to exhale. Yes, because when we inject, it will naturally suck in the fluid. That's good. But this is not where I want to be. I don't want to be here. I know that because I watched the old video 184 on what happens inside a tubeless tire. That's a great video. Shows you we have gravity, fluid goes to the bottom. What we're going to try is bring this up to the top. We're going to slowly inject. We're going to let it dribble down on one side. We're going to do it again on the other side. Yes, it's a bit of a, as we say in cyclocross, Hail Mary. No, I think that's American football they say that about. But we're going to give it a go. It can work. I've had it work on the narrower rims because the fluid is in a channel. Might as well try it here. So again, I've got half the fluid that I want in my injector. TSI-1 from Park Tool. Exhale. We are ready to slowly inject, but come a little past. I'm gonna go a little past. And here it goes. It's going in. We can imagine it trickling down. Trickle. We can see it in our mind's eye. I'm going to give it a little bit of a shake as it goes in. And let's spin a little bit horizontal with the valve core. We hopefully have covered this side, and hopefully we've cut a little sealant in the problem area of the rim, but that's half of it. Second verse, pretty much the same as the first. Now, more fluid. And give it a little shake, 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 and slow, slow. Do your magic, sealant. Find that hole. Now, don't spin it. Don't. We saw that in the video. Fluid's going to leave the rim. You're not going to do any good. So what do? We put that valve core back in. Right there. Two more things we can do. Ooh. Safety tip, remember, put that cap back on, always. Oh, see, that's why. Throw some air in it. I'm going to take note of the pressure, where we're at. And the last thing that we can do, wait. an overnight leak. Shh, I have to wait. 24 hours later, and hey, it worked. What do you know? You know, sometimes you try something and it works, but remember, the right to repair doesn't mean the right to succeed. But hey, you gotta try sometimes. We drip the sealant in slow, drip down the inside on the rim strip. It must have got that hole ready to ride.